Hi, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Fasila Yunus at 4 years experience in medical coding and 2 years experience in teaching field. Now I am going to discuss a financial or beneficial course in front of you, that is medical coding. Before going to discuss that, I will explain something. All human beings, mainly they are looking for two things. First one is job and second one is marriage. So the job, definitely they are searching, it is most secured one. Then non-tensed, non-feared, non-bothered, that is relaxed one. And the third one is the high paid salary, that is 5 or 6 digit salary. All these three criteria containing the medical coding, it is a secret job, because now all of you know the world faces COVID-19 crisis. So lot of them lost their job, lot of the person having unpaid duty. But in this crisis also, the medical coders duty is still stable. They have no any problem, because the medical coding is the bridge between the hospital and the insurance. So medical coders duty is still stable. So it is a secure job, and thereafter no any tension, relaxed one, and also high amount of salary. Also the beginning one will definitely getting more than 3,000. As your experience increases, the salary percentage also increases. So what is medical coding? Medical coding is the process of description of conversion of patients' diagnosis and procedures into universal alphanumerical numbers. That is what is called medical coding. So medical coding, I will explain with an example. Now all of you know what is COVID-19, because all the world faces the COVID-19 condition. So when in hospital a patient coming with a high fever, sore throat and respiratory problem. When the patient coming, he first make a file for the registration. He paid in the cashier and the receptionist maybe making the file. Thereafter the nurse will checking the patient's vital, that is height, weight, pulse, pressure, temperature, everything will look the nurse. Thereafter the patient goes to the doctor's room. Then the doctor examine the patient totally, and after that, if the patient having high amount of fever, high temperature, sore throat, and also the respiratory complaint, so the doctor suspect the patient having COVID-19, because all the condition that the patient having COVID-19 condition, all the symptoms of COVID-19. So by looking all the symptoms the patient having COVID-19, the doctor will also order the lab test to confirm the COVID-19. So the doctor also perform a lab test to confirm the COVID-19 of this patient. After the lab test done, the result came the patient have positive of COVID-19. So this is only an example. So in this case, the patient condition is COVID-19. That is confirmed by the doctor orders and lab test. So in this condition, what is the duty of the medical coder? So in this condition, the doctor confirmed that the patient has been COVID-19. So you have the certified coder, you definitely added in the every hospital or every clinic there is an electronic medical record. That is what is the patient details, whatever the patient's details, his height, vitals, and the presenting complaint, history of presenting complaint, examination head to toe, all the system examination, and the medicinal management. In this case, the patient, the doctor will write the medicine and everything, the nursing order, just all the features means recorded in a electronic medical record. So in by looking whatever the patients saying, the doctor will write all the complaints of the patient. By looking, by analyzing that medical record as the medical coder. So by looking the medical doctor as you, the medical coder that will write the code for what in this above example doctor write the patient having the COVID-19. So you have to write the code ICD code of COVID-19. That is B97.29. That I will teach you how you select the code B97.29, the COVID-19 patient code. As your doctor confirmed that the patient having COVID-19. So you have to enter the file, the code ICD, International Classification Disorder 10th wise, that of classification code of COVID-19 in the electronic medical. And the same time doctor also perform a lab test for confirming the patient having COVID. So that is contained in the CPT, what the procedure doctor doing, current procedure terminology. So the code for that one 87635. How you find that code I will explaining in the remaining classes. Okay. So only some students asking what is there any medical background is needed for joining the ICD-10 or medical coding classes. There is no need to be a medical background. If you are almost finished the 12th grade, that is enough for this one. Only that is needed. There is no need of medical background to join the ICD or medical coding class. The medical coding books, mainly the syllabus containing, first one they will ask about the mainly three books. First one is ICD-10, second one is CPT, and third one is the HIPICS. The ICD-10 of 2020 version, every year the book will edition varying. So you have to use ICD-10 2020 for your exam. If you have 2019 or if you have somebody, your friends having 2019, you have to study with that one, because when comparing 2019 and 2020, only little changes are there. So if you are study with the 2019, no problem, but during exam you take from REN 2020 edition. So first book is this one, ICD-10. It's contain first one specific guidelines of chapters, thereafter alphabetic index, and thereafter tabular list. Then there is drugs of chemicals that I will explain later. First book is ICD-10. In the above exam, we diagnose that the patient having COVID-19. The COVID-19 code B97.26. How you will find the COVID-19 code? Using this book, I will teach you how you find the COVID-19 code, or whatever by looking the electronic medical record, whatever the diagnosis of the patient, that code how we find, that I will teach you later. So the exam syllabus, first book ICD-10. 20 question asking from this section, 10 marks question to select the code of different condition, and 10 mark question asking from the ICD guidelines, that I will teach you in the class. Okay, that first book. Then the second book is CPT, that is current procedural terminology. What is that? In the above example, the doctor also perform a lab test to confirm the patient having COVID-19. So in that case, we already tell you that code 87635, the lab code. So that is, we have to select him from this book. That also I will teach you how you find the code from the book. So this one, the second book. So 90, in this the chapter systematic chapter wise order is there. From each section 10 question asking. So 90% question asking from this book, CPT. And the third book is the HIPICS. Less than 10% question asking from this section, that is HIPICS. So the exam is very easy because it's an open book exam. And so I already tell you, in the ICD-10 20 questions and the CPT 90%, and thereafter HIPICS 10%. Then what about the remaining one? Then the remaining one, they will ask about the 10 questions from physiology, anatomy, pathology. Okay, and 10 questions from asking from medical terminology. So whatever they are asking for the question, that I will teach you. So there is no need you should be a medical background. You only have grade 2 grade, that is enough. Remaining one I will teach you how you pass the exam. For passing exam, there is 70% mark is needed. Don't forget, it's an open book exam. So to pass the exam is very easy because it's an open book exam. You can use the original book of that year in the exam time. The exam contains 150 question, no negative marks. You have to attend 70%. So you have to attend 105 question among the 150 question. So all the 130 questions they are asking from these 3 books. 130 questions they are asking from these books. Only 20 questions they are asking from the anatomy and terminology. That also I will teach you the basic, from the basic to whatever they asking for the exam. That also I will teach you. So 150 question you have to correct 105, then you will definitely get the 70%, you will pass. There is no negative marks. Okay, so once again I am remembering you that the exam is an open book exam. No need of tension. So only the problem is the time management, not just a theory. There are so many problematic questions. Suppose in the above exam, the patient coming with a fever, sore throat and respiratory complaint. In this, I tell you the problem, ICD code, CPT code, I tell you. So how you select this code, that I will teach you. This is a simple technique. There are a lot of simple technique that I will teach you in the remaining classes. How you select the code, how you become a certified code, that I will teach you. So in every classes I will, the medical coding class is 72-hour class. Okay, 72-hour classes. So every classes I will give an PPT, and when I'm taking the online classes, the PPT I will share. So when you are looking the screen, you can see the PPT that I am presenting. Thereafter I want your email ID and I will send the PPT to your email, and also after every class one assessment I will send you. So you have to answer that. Then making lot of assessment, and thereafter I will give you mock exam, different types of mock exam. Then after 72-hour class you will become a non-certified coder. Then after exam you will pass, definitely will pass. You become CPCA, that is certified professional coder. So how you register for the exam? You have to register 1 month before the exam, because first you have to take the membership for the exam. Okay, you have to take the membership for the exam. You have to not take now. If you are wanted to buy the original book, you have to order the AAPC login site, and when logging you can see there is book software. You can order 2020 is the edition of book that I will give you by PPT. 2020 book you have to order. Okay, so if you want to buy the original book, you have to order the book. If you are no need to become a member to buy the book. Okay, you have to take the membership only 1 month before exam, because every year the membership you have to renew. So if you are planning to take the exam on next month, then now only you take the membership. Okay, so not now. After completing the 72 hour, within the almost ending level of the 72-hour classes, you have to take the membership. After that, then after 72-hour classes you are finished, you have to take for the exam. You have to register for the exam also. Okay, then you will one time you have to pay around $600, and for before that 130 range in the dollar for the membership also. Okay, membership. After that exam, one time if you are pay for the fees, you have 2 chances. If you are not getting 70% in first chance, you have 1 free chance also. So one time fees you have 2 chances. Inshallah, after 72 hours you will definitely become certified, non-certified coder. After exam you will become CPCA. Then there is 4 or 5 digit number. CPCA means apprentice, certified professional coders apprentice. Then after 2 years experience, then you have upload your 2 years job experience in the your site. Then the A you can remove. If you already have, some of them are working coding without certificate. If all of you have with working in the experience in the medical coding ground, so after writing the exam, after result come, you have to email them. You have 2 years experience without taking the exam, before taking the exam. So you have to upload your certificate in the site. Then that time also they will automatically remove the A. So if you are passing, you will CPCA first. After removing A, the CPC, some 4 or 5 digit numbers. So that about the exam. Okay. So hi friends, I believe now all of you understand what is medical coding and what's its important. Or simply again repeating What is medical coding? It's a process of conversion of patients' diagnosis or procedures into universal alphanumerical numbers. That is, what is patient say? His symptoms. That the convert into patient's symptoms, diagnosing into numerical alpha or numerical alpha numbers. Okay, that is whatever the conversion of patients documents into numbers, that I am already tell you in an example. If the COVID-19 patients having the symptoms fever, sore throat and respiratory complaint, that they converted into B26 like in a code, that is ICD code, and in that case one CPT, that is procedure also ordered the doctors, that also converted into one numbers. So your duty is to convert into the numbers, the patient documents converted into numbers. So it's very simple job. Okay, so that about the medical coding. Then the syllabus I am once again repeating, mainly based on 3 books, ICD-10, HIPICS and CPT. In the ICD-10 they are asking 20 question, and CPT they are asking 90 question, and the HIPICS less than 10 question they are asking. Then 10 question asking about the insurance, Medicare, Medicaid, that also I will explain. Then 10% question asking from the medical terminology, and 10% asking from the anatomy, physiology and pathology. That also I will explain in the class, in the lesson time. Okay, so that about the medical coding exam syllabus. Then the registration of medical coding, you have to take the membership before the exam. Thereafter you have to register the exam. For one time registration you take 2 chances. If you are failed in the first chance, you have to 1 more chances to attend the exam, free trial. Okay, so exam is an open book exam. You can use the original book during exam, not any printable or photostat not allowed during the exam time, but you have to study with the photostat or your 2019 or 18 edition. But during exam you have to use only 2020 edition, only the original book allowed. So you have to not write anything in the original book, the examiner will check. So the exam is asking 150 question. You have to attend 150 question. You have to attend 70% mark for the pass. Okay, so you have to correct 105 question, 105 answers from the 150 question. Okay, there is no negative question. So if you are only correct answer 105 among the 150 question, if you are having 45 incorrect, no problem. 105 you will attended correctly, you will get 70% mark. And the time is the very important one, because it's an open book exam. So when I am teach you the simple technique how we find the code, so you have to you will get definitely the code by looking the book, because it's an open book exam. Only the problem is time management. 150 question on the exam, they will give you 5 hours and 45 minutes. That means one question you have to spend 2 minutes and 3 seconds. That is 150 question. So the time management is very important, that I will teach you. But that's why I am again repeating, when every classes I will give you assessment and a mock exam test, everything. Then you will become perfect in the time. Okay, so that about the exam, 150 question, 5 hours and 45 minutes, open book exam. You can use the book exam. Okay, so it's also very easy for you. Then how the registration, everything I give you. About the exam I will give the introduction and the CPT, everything I give the procedure and everything, and the exam, registration, syllabus, medical coding. So our Newton Training Center give you 72-hour online classes. Okay, now they are offering, because before when the time I was studying, there is more than 2000 for the teaching, for studying the medical coding class. But now they will give you an offer, I think only 1500. So it's the best offer for you. Don't waste your time. If you are thinking you have to spend that, if you are thinking such a way that it's very expensive, you have to you have to pay the fees for the classes, thereafter you have to buy the books, thereafter you have to registration, exam fees. If you are thinking it's very expensive, but you are mistaken. If you are attending this way, you are spending such a condition, and after you will become certified coder, CPCA, then after you are getting a job, you can manage within 1 month's salary all of this you are spending. Okay, so don't think it's very expensive. I'm not going to work, because if you are now a very good offer 1500, it's very good for you. So if you are thinking it's very expensive, no, after getting a job within 1 month salary you can manage everything. So don't be think such a, okay. So if you are interested to join medical coding course, you can contact our training center, that is Newton Training Center in Al-Ain near Khalifa Street. So if you are interested, you can contact them. It's don't waste your time. I will share their WhatsApp number, direct line phone number, email ID. So and Facebook, in the Facebook also they will be available. So if you are interested, you can contact them directly. So or WhatsApp them, they will contact you and register for as soon as possible. Don't waste your time. Okay, so stay home, stay safe.